Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Adjoining Westgate Hills is this very attractive buy, which is located in Catherine Mount, Montego Bay. This is a 9-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 4-family home or investment. This includes a 3-bedroom, 2-bath back and front patio living, dining and kitchen unit along with 3 2-bedroom self-contained units. The location commands a good income. Schools, churches, banks, and other entities are in close proximity. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 225,000 or Jamaican $34.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.